Hello, this is me again, talking about a lore video, as you may have recalled me saying about. This is about Middle-earth, the underground caverns which used to be the home world of the life dragons, and also a lot of nature, and I guess it was very friendly. It was world within the world. It was supposed to be, it was representing the movie Journey to the Center of the Earth, as in Earth having an underground cavern at its core instead of, or near its core, instead of it just being all lava. To be honest, we don't know. That could be a possibility that actually is a thing, but I just doubt there's dinosaurs and stuff down there. It might be a jungle or something down there. So I'm going to get straight into this. So it was a peaceful place. The life dragons lived there until Ernai, the main villain, took or more like his apprentice, Gung, took it upon himself that it could be a great place to set up a base location for them where they could access their kind of do their operations. So they decided the best course of action was to immediately attack all life dragons and kill them all off, which is exactly what happened. The life dragons weren't expecting it, so it was a complete wipeout for pretty much all of them. NSRO and other factions tried to intervene and tried to stop it and managed to save a few. They managed to get a few up to the surface, but little did they know that the sweeper invasion, which was also happening down below in the cavern, was also happening on the surface in secret. They didn't actually, they stayed away from all human interaction at that point. This would have happened back in about 2017, I'd say, or maybe a little earlier than that, even 2016, something like that. But in that I never made a story on it because in the original series, the second part of the original series, it was mentioned in Hellfire 2. It was mentioned and it was shown the living cavern. Well, not the living cavern, Middle-earth. Middle-earth was, all the nature and such survived, but the life dragons didn't. Dawn is the last known life dragon. So, and basically, she's the only reason she survived is because she's an incredibly powerful life dragon, which is the equivalent to that of a goddess. Her powers are unmatched. So I just wanted to point that out because Middle Earth was mentioned, and no one really knows what Middle Earth is. So to make it brief, watch Journey to the Center of the Earth, and you'll figure out what Middle Earth looked like. Apart from it was all kind of nature. Imagine this: an underground jungle filled with life, waterfalls. It looked beautiful, and it had like a small natural sun on the ceiling, made out of like a lava pocket and also gas. However, there is another part of the living, I keep calling it the living cavern. That's something else entirely. There was a different part of Middle Earth which was below the jungle part, which was volcanoes and fire and death, and that's where the sweepers came from. That's where they originally came from. They portaled in over there, and then from a place called the Death Dimension, and that was the first attack from Ernai, the first ever attack, and it was unfortunately unsuccessful in defense. So all life dragons died, apart from Dawn. So it's pretty dark. It was a genocide. It was pretty dark. However, luckily, Ernai and his forces couldn't take over the cavern. They killed everyone in it, but they couldn't take it over because waves and waves of troops kept coming in. It was basically they didn't evacuate in time sort of situation. So I just wanted to explain that. I'm going to leave that there. So also update on storyline and everything. I will be posting more again. I just had a bit of a break, really. So now I am back on the grind, and I will be back doing stuff again, like posting again, hopefully weekly again soon. So that's something to look forward to, if anyone really actually likes them. I have no idea. So I'm going to sign off here. So this is Sub signing off, and I'll see you next time. I think I'm going to be saying that from now on.